How to use a promo code on McDonald's app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use a promo code on McDonald's app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your McDonald's app. Make sure you're logged in, then head over to the bottom right corner on the three dots called More. After you do that, there you'll find a lot of different options. One of those options will be scan a code. I don't have it for some reason, but yeah, you can simply choose the scan option, which will lead you to this terms and conditions. Simply tap on yes and agree, and then tap on proceed. After you tap on proceed, you'll be redirected to this section where you can scan a QR code or barcode for your promo code. Else, you can tap here to manually enter code. And after you tap on it, here you can enter a 12-character long voucher code. And that's basically how you can use a promo code on McDonald's app. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.